Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to start one beautiful chapter and the chapter name is Inspiration Helps. So do you understand what is the meaning of inspiration helps? A help that can inspire you, that can motivate you. That is inspiration helps. Before going to start this chapter, let me tell you something about the important character. Who is the important character in this chapter? Rubina. Rubina is such a small girl. She is only class 6 student. She has to face lot of problem because her father fell sick. So, the story revolves around Rubina, her parents and her teacher, and the struggle that she is doing. The entire family is facing so many problems. Before going to reading this chapter line by line, let me ask a few questions. How many members are there in your family? You will say 5 or 6. Now, tell me how many persons are working in your house? So you will say only my father is working and everyone is dependent on him. The remaining persons are dependent on him. Or if your mother is working, then 4 to 5 persons are dependent on your mother's salary only. So, what do you understand by this point? This is that in every family, if you observe, you will find in more than 70 families, there are only 1 person or 2 persons are working and remaining 4 to 5 persons are dependent on the working person. Just imagine if the working person fails sick and his condition is very much critical. What will be the problem? What will happen to the family? Will they face any problem? Of course, the family will suffer a lot. You can correlate yourself during the corona pandemic. What happened? During this corona pandemic, so many persons lost their job. They are jobless. Still so many people are jobless. And just imagine, in a family, there are 7 members and 1 person is only earning and he lost his job. So, will the family face any problem? Of course, the family will face lot of problem. Yes, so if the person who is working in the house fails sick, the family has to face lot of problem and it's a very natural. You will face financial crisis in your house. So similarly in this story, Rubina is facing the same situation, the same problem. Not only Rubina, the entire family of Rubina, they were facing so many financial problems. They had even not such an amount that could be invested on what? The treatment of Rubina's father. They were not able to even to get their basic needs fulfillment. They had no money even to fulfill their basic needs, that is food, clothing and house. So, let's going to start this chapter. Okay, and try to understand what kind of problem Rubina has to face. Remember one thing, for every problem there is solution. For every problem there is solution because nothing is impossible in this world. The word in itself says that I am possible. So here also something happened with Rubina and finally she was very much happy. So let's read the chapter and try to understand the story. Rubina lived with her parents in a village. Her father worked in a factory. She was studying in class 6. She always stood first in the class. There is Rubina. Rubina is the name of a girl, and her age is not very much, she is very much small. We can say that she was not adult at all. She was only class 6 student. But one quality I would like to tell you, she was very much brilliant student, and every time she stood first in the class. She always stood first in the class. So what is the background of Rubina? Rubina belongs to a very simple family. Her father is working in a factory and her mother was a simple housewife. One day, when her father returned home, he was feeling weak. He told his wife, I am suffering from some serious disease and the treatment of this disease is very much expensive. One day, what happened? When Rubina's father returned back to home, he informed his wife that he was not feeling well at all. He was feeling very weak, tired and all. What is the meaning of serious disease? Serious disease means what? Something very much dangerous, something which is very much fatal disease, you can say, or which is not curable, or you can say what the cost of treatment is very much costly or high. For example, sometimes you have what? You suffer from what? Cold, cough, and you write the application. What do you write in the application? I have been suffering from fever. So fever, cough and cold, these are very common. But if I say some person is suffering from what? Cancer. If someone has heart problem, then it is not very easy to get treatment. Why? Because this process or this surgery or you can say what? The heart surgery is very much costly. It requires a lot of money. If some person is suffering from cancer, then for treatment of this cancer, we need lot of money, lot of wealth. Then we could afford it. So it is not everyone's cup of tea. It is not easy for everyone to afford such a big amount. So that kind of problem. In this story, the problem or the disease name is not written over here, but it was not the common disease. It was written something very much serious. And he also informed, Rubina's father also informed to his wife that because the cost of this treatment, the cost of my disease, that means for treatment cost is very much high, it is very costly. So he was very much worried. Moreover, he was not feeling well. On hearing this, Rubina's mother became very sad, and it's very natural. So what will be the condition of mother? She found herself in very much helpless situation because she had also no money so that she could just go for his treatment. So she became very much sad after listening the situation of her husband. Her father needed rest, so her mother started working in a factory in his place. But the mother did not lose her heart. Of course, she was very much sad, but she did not lose her heart and she just decided, yes, I will do job in place of my husband and husband will do rest at home. And she started going to factory. She started working in the factory in place of her husband. Rubina stopped going to school as most of the time she had to stay at home to take care of her father. She was worried about her studies. You know what happens? Because Rubina's mother started going to factory to work in place of her husband, so that is why Rubina also stopped going to school, because at home her father was on the bed. So who will take care of him? So Rubina started taking care of her father at home and her mother started going to work in the factory. This situation made Rubina stopped going to school. Because of this reason, she was not able to go into school because she had to take care of her father. Moreover, she had to help her mother also. In this way, the entire family was facing lot of problem. Not only financial problem, but other problem also. So, this was all about today's class. In next class, we shall continue. Okay? So, thank you very much. Have a nice day.